35,000 miles, that's how much I've driven this car, and I have white seats. In this video, I wanted to show you how these seats have aged over the time. And if you're considering a Tesla and white seats, this video is for you. If you have a Tesla and you already have white seats, then this video is also for you because I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to maintain these seats. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. If you're new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Okay, so let's continue with the video. Right off the bat, I have to say this, I have always kept my cars clean with no clutter and no eating inside. This habit has probably helped me keep my white seats looking white even after 35,000 miles. However, if you take a closer look, you'll notice some stretch marks and black residue on the seats. Fortunately, the seat backs still look brand new, just like when I received the car. It's worth noting that my wife and I rarely wear denims, which could have made a difference in the condition of the seats. Also worth noting, white seats tend to show dirt and dust more prominently in between the stitchings. When I first took delivery of my car, I applied a ceramic coating to the seats, and if you're wondering, they do not leave the seats glossy, but it did help keep the car clean. Over time, I found that I only needed to dust off my seats with a microfiber cloth to maintain their cleanliness. Note that I've never attempted to clean the seats with any product up until now. Okay, so for the seats, I'm going to be using the leather cleaner from Chemical Guys. Now, this is a highly reviewed product and I've never used it before, so I'm kind of excited to use it. So let's check it out. To use this cleaner, you will need a horsehair brush that will not damage your seats, by the way. Additionally, I will use a painter's tape, like every other content creator does, to help you visualize the difference before and after using the application. To clean the surface, spray a bit of product on the brush and gently scrub in circles. Let it sit for a minute or so and then wipe down the surface with a microfiber cloth. After using the cleaner, you should just notice a difference, which I'm hoping can be captured on camera. I repeated this process on the other side of the surface and I was amazed to see how the seats looked like new. Although I do notice faint traces of stretch marks, which are not noticeable unless you're really looking for them. There are a few marks on the back seat if you can notice it on camera, and this product did a fantastic job cleaning them off as well. Before I forget, let me finish cleaning the passenger seat. Okay, so this was supposed to be a review on the white seats, but you know what? I'm in the mood to wash the car, so I'm going to share with you all the products that I use to wash the car. I'm sure you will at some point want to be interested in something like this. And hey, my car is an upcoming self-proclaimed celebrity and it demands to look good every week on camera, so cleaning is all in the details, which I also wanted to share with you. Okay, for the hard surfaces, I'm using the Total Interior Cleaner from Chemical Guys. I've always had this for quite some time. Use a microfiber cloth and give it a few sprays of the product, then wipe down the surface. This effectively removes dust particles that are often noticeable on black surfaces. This cleaner can be used on practically any interior surface. Because Teslas don't have a front grille, bugs, dirt and tar from the road are very visible on the front bumper, especially on white cars. To easily clean off the front portion of my Model Y, I chose this highly rated bug remover from 3D and a sponge. Rinse the surface, then spray the affected areas, let it sit for a minute or two and then use a sponge to effortlessly clean the surface. Rinse off and you're good to go. I'm really surprised by the results, except for the road chips that I cannot do anything about. Now, moving on to the rest of the exterior, I use Mr. Pink, a foaming soap from Chemical Guys. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them. I happen to purchase their products only because they're highly rated. After the first rinse, I usually use the bug remover again to clear off any tar stains behind the fenders. Then I move on to cleaning the wheels. I recommend using brushes for detailing every corner that can't be reached with just a washing sponge. After a final rinse, I dry the car using one of my favorite cleaning products, the Mammoth Microfiber from Chemical Guys that soaks up everything. Even after drying the car, spots may be visible on the glass. Any brand of glass cleaner can do the job, but I will provide a link to one of my preferred options below. After the tires have dried, I use Chemical Guy's Tire Shine and a sponge to give the wheels a brand new look. And that's a wrap. So these are the products it takes for me to wash the car. Let me know what you use. If you like this video, make sure to check this video out where I recently reviewed the red seats. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.